know if all is good.
All right, recording started.
Okay, great. Sounds good. Okay, I'll show you what you're looking at. The black color one is a real account with real funds. Right, this is my funds over here. The one in white is a demo account. This is under a test net. So if you want to try it out, I can send you the link to a demo, or I
Sure.
can also give you a free trial. You go and play around with it. All right.
All right.
So since you wanted to know more about how we serve Launchpad
Yep.
business,
Yep.
right, let's talk about that. So let's say yeah. So the objective of a Launchpad is to sell tokens. All right, is
Yep.
to sell pre-launch tokens. So that means that the tokens didn't even exist on the blockchain. It's just a storyline. You sell the story and hope that your investor will buy these tokens, right? So when imagine the flow works like this. If your user want to buy a certain tokens, they need to deposit funds into the account,
Yep. Yep. Got it.
right? They need to deposit funds. So I will show you uh, how an example will look like. Just waiting for the video to turn on. Okay. So this is our real customer. It's a iGaming casino, right? So now you're looking at a user account. I'm a gambler user account. I
Yeah.
wanted to deposit funds $1,000. I select a
Okay.
thousand dollars. This is all entire Cregis infrastructure, by the way. So you can see that
Wow.
deposit Cregis. You look at the domain, it's pay.cregis.io. So I select all the tokens, the chain, and there we go. You have this QR code right here, right? So once the user they scan this QR code, it's basically a wallet address. So they scan it using their MetaMask wallet, OKX wallet, Binance wallet, whichever. They can send funds here, and you are done. And you are done.
Awesome.
You will have the funds. This money will be processed by Cregis, and we will send it, and we will settle the money directly to the operator which is yourself,
Awesome.
right? The one that's managing the website. So treat us like the one in the middle to bring the money to you,
All right.
because we have the license to do so. So you are doing it in a safe manner. We have the license to operate this kind of money flow, because regulators are very sensitive in this kind of things. So we'll settle it to you just through a very immediate. The moment your customers pay, we'll send it to you immediately.
Wow.
Okay,
That's
so
amazing.
you can
Yeah.
think it like
Um,
like a like a
have
launch
you
pad.
got you guys texted like how many transaction you can do per minute or something like that? Is there's like a
Okay, so this is an interesting question. We actually have a launchpad client, but I couldn't tell you the name because they white labeled
just a
us.
benchmark, just a benchmark. It doesn't have to be
Okay,
like
I this
something.
this number I can tell you is unlimited,
Wow.
unlimited. Okay, but
Okay.
at any single normal time, right? We can do 200 to
That's
five
enough.
hundred
Yeah,
at the same time.
that's
Yeah,
enough.
so you can have 500 customers opening this QR code. You have 500 different QR code all at a different time.
Yeah,
But
that's
but launchpad, right? The moment you open a certain launchpad sale, there might be 10,000 investors opening this page to rush in and buy the tokens. That
awesome.
that is what happened to our client. So
Wow.
at that special circumstances, we open up 10,000 wallets for them for one day. Because
Wow.
it's resource intensive. These are all resources or like network resources, server costs on our side. But for that one day, we do it for them.
Awesome.
So we
Yeah.
can we can do it. You let's say you are launchpad, you want to launch a certain tokens on this date, this time, we do it for you. Increase to 10K, 20K, whichever you want. But we cannot do it forever. It's just for a short period of time, right?
Yeah,
One
yeah, I
day,
know.
24 hours, few hours is fine. It's fine. We can fully support your operation over here. Get it?
Okay.
Get it now? Sort of how a launchpad work with us through something like this. Okay. So this
All
is
right.
just one of our product, which is the wallet. The crypto payment settlement. Right. This is like a gateway. This is a gateway. So I will
Okay.
show you this one. Right. I'll show you this one. So basically, what you're looking at is a merchant dashboard for you
Merchant
only.
dash.
It's not for your users, but for you.
All
because
right.
just now
So
you
this one
mentioned
is
you
the
have
one with the API and everything that you use to hook
yes,
in.
yes.
All right.
This is
Okay.
your control panel, your admin access, your
All right.
control panel.
All right.
So just now you mentioned you have a game that sells
Yep.
NFT, right? Sell in-game item, weapon, clothes, and all that. You have also have a marketplace to sell tokenized gold, right? So in this
Yep.
example, you just treat like project one is your game, project two is your tokenized gold.
Okay.
Then maybe if you have a project three, you call it a casino, whichever you can do it yourself. So every single wallet is separated. You can just create one over here, create a single sig or multi-sig. You just select what is the wallet name you call it, casino or whatever. You just record down
And then you got
the phrase and you're good
yep,
to
yep.
go.
Differences.
These are all entirely self-custody. We don't custody your funds. Nobody is holding your funds. You also don't hold your user funds.
Awesome.
Entirely self-custody. So there's no security risk over here. There's no counterparty risk as well. Okay, self-custody only. Remember that. That's the
Yeah.
only tool that we do. Okay, what else? So like let's say for example, just now in that casino example, right? You have your user one depositing $1,000, user two deposit 100,000, whichever. You can track them through sub addresses. So like user one, user two, user three, user four, everything API connected. You don't have to leave a finger here.
Okay.
So everyone have a different address. You want to have different chain, you can just select accordingly. Ethereum, Bitcoin, blah, 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 you can select. So each of your users have a different address that they can deposit money and of course use the funds in there.
Awesome.
Okay.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And of course, I believe you have a team. You have a team. Your team. Let's say you want to invite your CFO, invite your
That's me.
whoever. That's you. Okay. Then in this case, that might be not relevant. But there will be you can add permissions to them. You can add permissions, roles and responsibilities. But I
Mm.
believe we can do that when you have a team. Then we can talk about it in detail,
Yeah.
right? We don't want to waste your time. So what else? What else? What else? So if let's say you are planning to launch your own tokens, let's say gaming coin, right? We call it gaming coin launch on Binance, for example, BSC. You can
All
just
right.
create a token. Then you send us a request, we integrate for you. But currently here is a
Hold
token
on, you
that
can
we
create a
have.
token. Is that?
We can help you to integrate your token.
Yeah, yeah.
We
I
cannot
have.
we cannot create for you, but we integrate for you.
Hey, that's not a problem. Like I will make it myself. Like own responsibility and everything for it. Like that's not a problem. Yeah. So
Mm.
you
Yeah, so
can.
we are flexible. We can do everything in the sky,
Wow.
basically. As long as you have a platform to manage, we help you fully support, cover your back end, so you don't have to know about all the financial things. You just need to link API and you're good to go. If you need
Wow.
support in like, oh, are you like doing this payment legally? You ask us, we give you what is the correct plan, how to do it through the license, how to get a license, whatever. We can support. Okay. So that's about it. So there are other features like all the risk control, AML, KYC for your users. If you want to do, you do it. But I believe at the start you don't need to. Right, all these
All right.
AML is for biggest company because they have a license to follow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's very important. Like I want
Yes.
everything to be done like within the legal guidelines, right? I don't want to have
Mm.
any problem with any government, like any legal entities or whatever. I just
Yeah.
want it to be.
We can.
Yeah.
So you look at this. This is the AML pay. So this basically the AML. We work with two providers. It's a third party. It's called Elliptic and Rectang. So these are the two parties that we use. So basically, they can check if a certain address is coming from like a dangerous or like fraud kind
Yeah,
of
hackers and stuff
fund.
like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. I believe you know what I'm talking about. It's
Yeah,
just
I'm even
AML very important. Compliance with regulators
yeah,
is
I'm even
important.
I think in like on the 11th I'm gonna be in a C-suite meeting, like an executive meeting with Cisco and stuff like
Mm,
that. So I think they're probably gonna talk with me about security and like identity setting up that
manage.
like eventually I'm sure like everybody will have like a single ID, like an identity and stuff like that. So I think that's what Cisco is trying to work on. and they might introduce that to me for me to integrate into the company later. So something like that.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, so basically this is as simple as it goes. Of course, there are a lot more features, but I'll just maybe stop here because the wallet in front, the first page you're looking at is the most important, right?
Yeah.
So does this fit what you're looking for?
It more than fits. Like this is
More
perfect.
than fit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
So
perfect.
so maybe for now I will show you the costing. Yeah, because our product is very comprehensive.
All right.
There will be a cost on top. It's not a lot. It's the cheapest in the market. If you find someone cheaper, I can match their price.
Oh, that's affordable.
Okay,
That's
so we are confident in this. If
wow.
you find someone cheaper, I match their prices for you. Okay, mark my
Yeah.
words. Mark my words, right? So we
Mm,
are the cheapest, right?
yeah.
Nothing you can find out there. If you can find
Wow.
cool, let me discount it for you. Okay, mark my words.
Hmm.
I give it to you. 150, $100. If you can find it, you can prove it, I give it to you. 100 to 150. Okay?
All right.
So 199 is all you need,
All
okay?
right.
To
So
to
monthly
get
199.
started.
Yep. Yep.
To get started. All right. So 199 you can have 100 users.
100
All have
users.
different addresses. All right?
Awesome.
100
Yep.
users. Then for these all these numbers in the middle, like if you want to have a lot more wallet addresses, I increase it for you. Not a problem. These are
Awesome.
numbers that I can change.
Cool.
Okay, so
Yep.
everything below, like all these team members, all these different wallet addresses, you want to change, I change it for you. But the only
Awesome.
thing that I cannot change is this sub address over here. Was wallet as a service, WAS, wallet as a service,
Yeah. Yeah.
sub addresses. This 50, 100, and 2000, this number, I cannot change. But the
Okay.
rest, not a problem. You tell me what you need. You tell me what is a good range. I try to make my amendment so that it's more valuable, more affordable to you.
All
Okay,
right. Yeah, I'll
sounds
definitely
good.
get into this. Yep. Yep.
Yeah,
Just
sounds good.
do you have like a
Okay.
package that you plan to send like to me after?
I can. I will send it to you. I will
All
send it to
right.
you. So it looks like this. It's the same. It's the
Okay.
same as what you are looking at in the app. And of course, for next step, because I understand that you mentioned you want to launch your product next year. But if you want to launch it next year, pricing might be different. I don't know. I don't know. So if you can give
Cool.
me a timeline, when is
So
good to start testing?
yeah, yeah, the reason why I asked about the launch pad was pretty much this year. Like the most important thing this year is to get funding for the company. That's the most important thing. So, we are trying to make the product look good. We're trying to make the game look good so more people can be interested. We are trying to like meet with people like you, like find all the systems
Mm,
that are going to
mm,
guarantee that the product is a success, like the entire company is
mm,
a success. That's what we're trying to do as we get closer to launch, right? So
mm,
the reason why I really asked about that launch pad, the moment you talk about it was, I was thinking about a way to start early, like post some tokens or whatever online and see
mm,
like
mm,
if we can start getting in revenue because I need a lot of hands. Like I can pretty much develop this stuff by myself, but I need a lot of hands and to get that, I need to be able to pay people. So
mm.
that's why I'm really
Okay.
like trying to set up the
Yeah.
funding and stuff.
I will show you this page because I believe now you're fundraising, you need a means for your investors to buy or like invest in your shares through something like a shopping page,
Yeah.
checkout page. I think that's easier for me if you want to close a certain investor. So like let's say, I mean you can add to cart. This is a demo by the way. You can add to cart.
Also, do you
You can
guys
click on
have like
checkout. Yeah,
y- so Coin
and there you
Store like
go, right? Uh, mm-hmm.
do you guys have like a group like a hub for investors and stuff like that? Because I think CoinStore have like a whole central area like that people can go to and then like see available stuff. Like, do you guys have that
Mm.
or?
Coin Store and Cregis is two different
Yeah,
company.
yeah, I know.
Two different company. Yeah. Coin Store. don't. I mean, they have a VIP area, VIP list, but you need to pay to go in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it might not really be relevant for you
Yeah, yeah. All right.
in this case. Uh, yeah, I mean, if you, what I can help you with, right, is that if you want to start fundraising, start a launch pad, you really need something like a checkout page. The checkout page,
Okay.
if you want to use ours, I send it to you.
All right.
It's
Please
like a
send
plug
that.
and play
Please send
system.
that. Yeah.
Then of course I will need like a timeline because I know that your timeline is very long, but if you can give me a timeline of when should we start testing, when are you going to commence it live, start paying for the subscription. I need a timeline so that it's worth both of our time as well. Make sense?
Um, we can pretty much start this week.
Oh, for
Yeah.
the testing, for the
Yeah.
testing.
Yeah.
So you want to
Anything
make
with tech,
your
anything with tech, I wanna get right into it. Like,
okay.
yeah.
Okay, can. So this is my plan. You hear it, you see whether if this makes sense to you. Because I have a list of a group of investors. I show
Wow.
it to you. I show it to you, right? I mean, when I say things, I want you to believe, right? I want
Wow.
you to believe.
Okay.
I
Okay.
show it to you so you know what I'm saying. Right? A
Wow.
lot of
All
people in
right.
the world they just say like fluff all that. They say they have but they don't have. I tell you, this is my VC list. All
All
right.
right. Wow.
This is my email address. I know you're recording. I don't mind your
Yeah.
recording. You
Yeah.
can record this.
Well,
But I
I don't
can
know if
tell
I should
you,
clip this part out. I don't know if
I
I should.
have I have few thousands of them. Right?
Wow.
I have few thousands of them. But of
Yeah.
course, if let's say if you are able to help me to maybe place a commitment, like let's say you can opt for the $200 per month package. You want to commence 2 months later, I write a note. But if you can commit this $200, I send you this list, and at the same time I will connect you to some investors.
Dude,
That
immediately.
is my commitment.
Yeah.
You if you are down to it, we
I'm
do it.
down right now. Like right now.
Right.
Like the moment you're ready, just let me know. I'm down to put that commitment. Whatever in.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Then let's do it. I will facilitate all the process. In my list, I have a lot more lists. I'm not sure what you need, but I have like token 2049 attendees. If you are keen, I will just send it to you. So these are like what do you call it? If you are looking for OKX, for example, you can look for them. These are all market makers, Bing X, all that. These are popular firms, which I believe you know them. I can just send it to you.
All right.
Because these are my database. I have a lot of them, as you can see
Wow.
from my from my list over here, right?
Cool.
Okay, sounds good.
Yep.
Then maybe we can get started then, right?
All right.
So if let's say you want to start testing, you can do it. But if you have a live like go live date, you tell me so that your commitment will only be counted for when it goes live. But I will need you to maybe place the $200 in here first, so that we can get started. I can give you all the things that I need. Get you connected with all the VCs that I know, so
All
that
right.
at least
Like,
your pitch deck
hey,
gets to their table.
by
But I leave the pitching to you, right?
yeah, by so it's kind of late right now, but by tomorrow, I can get
Let's
that
do it
commitment
tomorrow then.
in. Yeah, tomorrow. The
Mm,
moment I wake up, I'll look into my email. I find this. I'll just send a commitment or whatever. Like set that up.
sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep in touch. It's about 10 p.m. right for you. So
Yep.
maybe we
Yep.
can talk about it around 9 a.m. your time, which is 12 hours later, 11 hours later. Sounds good.
You say you wanna get into another call or something?
Don't have to.
Oh
I'll just create a group chat. Then we can get started from there. If you want to call, we can do
no.
it. We can do
Uh,
it as well. Yeah.
we can
Okay.
take
Sounds
everything
good.
off. Yeah. All right.
Sounds good.
Yep. Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot, Eddie, for your time.
Yep.
Thanks
You
a
too.
lot.
All
See you. Bye bye.
right. Bye. All right, guys. That was a chat with custodian type company. They are a huge hit. Been up for I think 9 years, and Yeah, I'm doing pretty much everything I can to make sure that everything is a success, guys. Um, the next part is gonna be up to you guys to help put your money where your heart is, where your future is, and pretty much help make this bigger than just myself. This is not about me, it's about the entire community and about our future. Okay. Um so no envy, no secretly hoping that there's a downfall and whatnot. Everything that is being done for you guys and for myself. Um it's for the entire community as a whole. All right. And our goal is to not go astray. Our goal is to keep everything on track and keep everything secure. And personally, I'm not a social type person, but I'm going out of my way and socializing and stuff like that. And I'm trying to improve that and trying to go to meetups and stuff like that, just to make sure that this is a success. All right. Um, yeah, we are not just talking the talk, we are also trying to do the walk, and we are finding people, and this is up to you guys to spread the words and try to make sure that all of this work doesn't go in vain. All right. So that was a short recording. Obviously we started talking a lot earlier and you guys didn't see the whole thing. Um but yeah, basically, I talked about finding funding and to have a lot of hands because I can personally do this by myself with like a small amount of assistance and whatnot. Obviously, I have, or this sounds funny, but I have like interns, infinite amount of people to tap into. But yeah, I want to make this, I want to spread this to have more hands and to speed this workflow up and pretty much get you guys the best product that you guys can possibly get. Um, Again, this is Eddie Tia. I just talked with Cregis, and that was the recording. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.